In this video, we are going to learn chapter 10th limits and derivatives. Now, meaning of x tends to a. Let x is a variable and a is a constant. When value of x is very near to a, then we say that x tends to a, but x is not equal to a and is written as x tends to a. X tends to a plus, it means x tends to a from the numbers more than a. X tends to a minus, it means x tends to a from numbers less than a. X tends to a means that a can adopt any neighborhood value of a except a. So x is equal to a is called a limit value. Example, x is neighborhood of 2. Can adopt the value of 1.9, 1.99, 1.999 and so on. And it can also adopt 2.1, 2.01, 2.0001 but not 2.